Alright, so what about mold on fruit like strawberries? So for high moisture soft fruits, you're going to want to throw away any ones that have mold directly on them. Also throw away any of the strawberries that the moldy one is touching. And then for the rest of them, just visually inspect them, make sure there aren't any visual spots of mold and there aren't any mushy spots. If there are, throw those ones away as well. The rest of them that don't have visual mold or really mushy spots, can clean those off and then consume them. Now again, for people that are immunocompromised or have a mold allergy, you might want to throw away the whole thing. Or firm, lower moisture fruits and vegetables like cabbage, bell peppers, carrots. If there are moldy spots on those, you can use that 1-inch diameter rule like I talked about in the last video with hard cheeses. So cut 1 inch around the mold spot and the rest of it should be safe to consume. Obviously, inspect the rest of the pieces for mold. Some other softer, higher moisture foods that you should discard entirely if you see mold on it include things like jams, yogurt, soft cheeses like I talked about in that last video, unfortunately things like bread, along with nuts and nut butters. You can also freeze a lot of these foods if you know you're not going to consume the whole thing before it gets moldy to help reduce food waste and to reduce food costs.